day everyone, I am Angelica Kawilan and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how to create a virtual machine using Oracle VM VirtualBox, how to install a operating system, how to set up a LAN connection for the host and virtual machine, how to install a web server, and how to install a computerized system. So let's start. In creating a virtual machine, at first, open the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click New and just put a name you want. So I'll just put it Anje VM. So in this type, you can choose Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, IBM OS2, Mac OS X, or others. It depends on what you want. So I'll choose Microsoft Windows. In version, you can choose here. Whatever you want, you can choose. So for me, I'll just choose Windows 7 32-bit, 32-bit, and click Next. In this memory size, it is the recommended memory size for your virtual machine. So I'll just click Next. Create, Next, Next, and create. So as you can see, we already have our virtual machine named Ange VM. So that's all in creating a virtual machine. In installing a operating system, just click this setting, go to the storage, click this empty, go to this blue icon, just click that and choose a disk file. I'll choose Windows 7, open, and OK. So let's try to start it. Go to this Windows 7.iso and click Start. So the Windows is loading files. Just wait. Just click Next. Install now. So let's just choose Professional, Windows 7 Professional. I accept the license terms. Custom Advanced. And you're going to partition your laptop. Just click this drive option Advanced, click New, and Apply. OK. And click this Next. So it's loading. So let's just wait after this loading. So here it is, guys. Type a username, so I'll just type my name, Angge. Click next. Just click next, don't put any password here, and just skip this. Ask me later, and choose this Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, and click next. So this is our operating system now, guys. This is what looks like our virtual machine now. So just click this personalize. We just put icons, change the stop icons, and just click it all. Apply and OK. So let's just check the installed drivers in our virtual machine. Just go here, go to properties and device manager. So as you can see, this is all are the drivers that installed on our virtual machine. So here, batteries, computer, these drivers, and so on. So let's just exit. So that's all, guys. That's all in installing an operating system inside the virtual machine. So now, guys, I am showing you how to connect LAN connection between a virtual machine and a host machine. In my case, I am using a virtual machine which is Windows 7 32-bit operating system, and my host machine is a Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So now, go to settings, go to network, and enable this network adapter. Go to this bridge adapter and click this advanced and OK. So now start the virtual machine. Let's just wait for a while. So it's now starting. So now let's check the connection between the virtual machine and the host machine. First, go to the start button and type CMD. So just type here ipconfig. Then do the same for your host machine. Just type cmd or command prompt and just type ipconfig. So first, let's go to our virtual machine. Let's check if there's a connection between the two machines. So let's just type the IP address of the host machine here in our virtual machine. Just type just typing 192.168.43.244. So as you can see, it's already pinging. So there's a connection between virtual machine to host machine. So let's try in this host machine. Just type ping and search for the IP address of the virtual machine. 192.168.43.161. So here, as you can see, there's also a connection between host to a virtual machine. So that's all for connecting a LAN connection between the two machines, which is a virtual machine and a host machine. So next, I'll show you how to install a web server or a SAMP. So I already have an installer of SAMP. So if you don't have an installer, just go to web server or Google and just download it here. So we have two kinds of SAMP installer, a 32-bit and a 64-bit. But I'll prefer 64-bit, so let's start. Just click this. Let's just wait to open. Click next, 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 next. Let's just wait to fully finish the loading process so that we finally installed the web server or a SAM. Click finish and just click save. So it's already done. We already have a web server or a SAM. So now guys, for the last tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install a ready-made system using SAM. So let's start. First, open your SAM and start Apache and MySQL. So while running, go to the system you are going to install. So Here is the system I am going to install. Just cut or copy it and search for the file where you installed the sum. This sum1 to find the htdoc and paste it here. So now go to your ready-made system, this Regis inventory. Go to database and copy this Regis file. Just copy it. And now go to the web browser. So type here the localhost localhost slash phpMyAdmin. So here phpMyAdmin, just click enter. So after you open it, click new and type the database name. So the database name I'm going to type is Regis, because that is Regis, and create. So go to import and choose the file. This database regis.sql. Click it and click go. So now we already have a database. Click on new tab, type localhost slash and find the name of your system. So here Regis inventory. I'll just put Regis underscore inventory. Regis underscore inventory. Click enter. So here the username. I'll just put admin and the password. So here's the system, guys. You can see there's a item code, generic name, brand name, price, quantity, generic name, price, quantity, sub. So I'll just add here. I'll try to add new item. Generic name, date, 111 or 110, and price, 250. Item code 321. Brand name, wait to put it, Angge. And grams, just put 20 grams and save. So new record successfully added. So here is the one I put. 321, 110, Angge, 0, 20, 25 pesos. So that's all guys. So now, after installing a ready-made system on our host machine, let's try to run our access system using our virtual machine that we created a while ago. Go to your virtual machine. So here, we already are here in our virtual machine. Go to the internet, Google Chrome, and we'll just find to check the IP address of our host machine. Go to start button and search cmd or command prompt. Type here ipconfig and try to search the IP address of the local host of the host rather, and try to put it here. 192.168, 192.168.43.244. So let's try to check it again if correct. 192.168.43.44. So slash and search for the name of your system. So here is the name of my system, regis underscore inventory. Let's just put it here. Regis underscore inventory and search. So that's it guys. Username, I'll just put username, name, and password. Log in. So as you can see, it's already working. So this is system, and try to other items. Add new item and generic name. Try to get price 500. Enter item code 143. Brand name try to put hello grams 20 and save. So new record added successfully. Okay. So let's try to check it in our host machine. So let's try to loading it again. So yun, as you can see, it's already in our host machine. It's readable and locatable. So 143, this is what we made in our virtual machine. Item code 143, generic name Mangge, brand hello, type 0, 20 grams, and 500 pesos. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video.